Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the channel. On today's tutorial, we'll be sewing our shorts. So right here, I'm taking my allowances, 1 inch on the side and 0.5 inch on the waist, 0.5 inch on the crotch area, and 0.5 inch on the inseam. My zipper will be on the side, but if you want a back zip, you add 1 extra inch on the crotch area. All the allowances I added for the front, I added same thing for the back. I'll be adding 1 inch on the side towards the hip area and 1/2 inch all the way around. I'll do the same for my pocket bag. So now with the already cut out pockets, I'm going to cut out my pocket opening for my shorts. I did this because I didn't want to mess with the shorts pattern, and in case I need to do like alterations on any other style, I won't need to like start doing the pattern all over again. So now I'll be sewing our pocket opening, right side facing right side. We'll sew it in by 0.5 inch and also sew the crotch area 0.5 inch. Now we're going to top stitch our pocket to make sure that it stays flat. I'll go ahead and sew it on my sewing machine and then come back to show you how it looks. This is how it looks. This method makes it lay very flat and neat. Now we are going to attach our pocket bag right sides facing each other and then sew 1/2 inch. Now this is what we have. We're going to sew our front and our back pattern right sides facing each other. Whatever allowance you took is what you're going to sew, so it doesn't look awkward, either too big or too small, which means your measurement actually determines the fitness of your shorts. For the zipper, I took 8 inches from my waist and I marked it. Then from that marked area is where I'll start shaping my shorts. For the other side that doesn't have a zipper, I started taking my measurement from my waist all the way down. At this point, we're halfway done. I'm going to use hemming glue for the down parts of my shorts, that is what I'm taking. I took 2 inches for my hemming allowance, and that's what I'm trying to get. You do not necessarily have to use a hemming gum. You can just sew it instead of using a hemming gum, but I just prefer that one. You might want to serge it or weave it before you finish your hem. I have done one part of my short and I'm going to do the other part. You fix the hemming gum inside the folder part, then you use your iron to press it. It gums, so be careful for it not to touch your iron. If not, you have to clean it. The next thing for us to do now is to fix our waistband, and then we go ahead to fix our zipper. For my waistband, I use the waist measurement, which is 26 inches plus 2, and then 5 inches for the height because I'm going to fold it into 2. Fold it into 2, then I'm ironing it to give it that line, so when you open it you see what you have unfold. And then you fold 0.5 inch on the edge. That's where you'll be attaching your band to your main skirt. Now we're going to attach our band to our shorts, right sides facing each other. Now remember that 0.5 inch we ironed in, that is where we are going to be sewing. I've gone ahead to sew and we're going to be notching our folded area, so that's where we start attaching our zip from, so we can have a good finishing. I'm using a very long zipper because there was no other one available. This is what we have. I pinned it down and then folded this part so I'll be able to sew all the way down. I'll also do the same thing for the other side and cut off the excess. I'll fold in the other part of our waistband and then sew it. If you have gotten to this point, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Then I'll go ahead and turn it inside out. Now we are going to top stitch our waistband. Go ahead and give it a good press and then your short is ready. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support and do have an amazing day.